J for jug. Jug means surahi. K for kettle. Kettle means kettle. L for lion. Lion means sheep. M for mango. Mango means आम. N for nuts. Nuts means मेवे. O for orange. Orange means संतरा. P for parrot. Parrot means तोता. Q for queen. Queen means रानी. R for rose. Rose means गुलाब का फूल. S for sheep. Sheep means पानी जहाज. T for tiger. Tiger means बाघ. U for umbrella. Umbrella means छतरी. V for vegetable. Vegetable means सब्जी. W for watch. Watch means घड़ी. X for Xmas tree. Xmas tree means Xmas tree. Y for yoga. Yoga means yoga. Z for zebra. Zebra means zebra.